What if we could take a bunch of user reviews and put them in a bucket? Eventually we find out that we just couldn't keep up. What if we could put something in between, like say Kinesis Firehose, that could throttle the input to a manageable size? Now our bucket is happy. We can then take that and put that into a Solr search instance using a Lambda function to be able to do all kinds of interesting things. And we can run Spark for analytics and use Kinesis data streams to be able to throttle it. Then take those results, put them in another bucket, and use that to enrich our Solr data. And that would allow us to consume an enormous amount of data. We'll start by creating the S3 bucket. We'll have to remember this name because we'll need it in a little bit. Just accept the other defaults for now, and we're done. Now we'll need to create a Lambda function. We're going to write that in JavaScript. And we have some dependencies, so we'll have to zip them up. And then we'll upload them to our new Lambda function. Again, we'll remember the name. I pre-made a role for us. Upload our file. Okay, let's test this just in case. We'll use S3 put template. We'll need to change a few things though. Let's find the bucket that we were using. We're going to need the key and the name of the bucket. Here's our bucket, and then we're going to need a file. So let's find one here. That's a good one. And there it is in our search. Everything looks good. There it is. Now we'll set up Kinesis Firehose. It's pretty easy to do. Just accept the defaults. We'll cut the buffer size down a little bit so we don't have to wait forever. Then we need to set up Solr. So each of our EC2 instances, we'll install Java, we'll install Solr, and we'll install Zookeeper. Okay, now we need to edit our config files. Okay, unpack Zookeeper. Now install Solr. Make our changes to our config file so it knows about all the other servers. And now make changes to our Zookeeper file. There we go. Now we need to start all of our instances. Start Zookeeper first. And then we'll start Solr. Let's just see what we've got here. Tail the bin file so we can see what's running. Looks good. Start Solr. And now we'll add some fields to our collection. You get the idea. Okay, now that we have the operational side of things in order, time to move on to our analytics. We'll set up an EMR cluster with Spark. We'll have to change our size of our servers, and then we can use our setup file and let it install. Now for a bit of fun with the neural networks. We'll start the server up. All of our files should be copied, and as you can see, it's running. And we'll use our Lambda function to test it. And as we can see, nothing yet. Nothing yet. There it is. And as you can see, our logs show a lot of activity. So now we'll do an end-to-end test. We're going to throw a lot of data at it. Our analytics are running. Firehose is keeping up with it. So we're able to ingest without losing data. And looks like it's pretty comfortably so. Now let's go check and see what we have in our S3 buckets. It'll take a few minutes, remember, to get there. There we go, we've got one. We'll sped it up a little bit. And there they are in Solr. Okay, that looks good. That's what our Solr data looks like. Let's see, do we have any updates? Now we're just waiting for data to arrive from our analytics. And I think we can all agree if you just refresh a bunch of times, it should go faster. Nope, that doesn't work, huh? Guess we have to wait. Let's run a query just to sort it, just in case. Oh, there we go, we've got some data. Some of them are not so good predictions and others are pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.